Hey, what's up, radio? Welcome to episode number 27 here on season 2.
Daddy?
What?
These chips are good.
These chips are good? You've had them before?
No.
And we are getting into Forager chips. Chipotle barbecue sauce, veggie greens.
I like barbecue sauce.
You like barbecue sauce?
Yeah.
That's funny. Do you think that we should try them first or tell them about them?
Try them first.
Of course. Do you like chips?
Yeah.
Like how much?
Jake. This much.
That much? That's how much you like chips?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I don't know if that's a lot. That's not really that much.
No.
Like, I like chips like this much.
I like this chips this much.
That much?
That's Papa don't love me like that.
Like that? Let's go ahead and open them then. All right, so these are confusing, interesting. Usually with chips, you just like pull the bag open like this, but wasn't as hard as I expected. But interesting bag, interesting material. All right, go ahead and reach your hand in there and grab one. Okay, and then
We need to count down.
you're right. 3, 2, 1,
Go.
go. These are pretty good. A little bit different than like your typical Lay's potato chip. No, Lay's barbecue potato chip. It's got the burst of barbecue in the very beginning. Other than that, though, it's not. And then you get like the chip flavor.
This is pretty good. Chips. Barbecue chips.
They are? You like them? They're really good, huh? They're pretty healthy for you, too. Do you like healthy food or not healthy food?
Especially, I like candy.
You like what? Candy? But candy's not healthy.
But I just don't have it.
Okay. Go ahead and grab another chip because I know that you're going to want one. So it might just matter of time. You might as well. So this right here is a veggie chip. It's not even.
Daddy.
What?
Daddy.
You're looking for the butterfly? He's right there. Or no, where is he at? He's on here. I seen him on here. Maybe he's not on here. There's no butterfly. Oh well. They're organically pressed vegetable chips, so it's like kind of like a veggie straw almost. The basic like vegetables that it's made out of is like cucumbers, celery, kale.
Papa lost this.
Oh, that's we actually just given this away. Yeah, yesterday someone won the silver because they entered their contest. So you want to say congratulations for winning?
Hey, congratulations to Lenny.
There you go. Yeah, so romaine lettuce, colored funnel, collards, parsley, basil, brown rice. So it's made of like ancient grains, gluten-free, got no corn in there, which I think is awesome. I don't know. I don't really care much about corn. I kind of like corn, to be honest. Vegan, and that's pretty much it. It comes from California, San Francisco. You're eating another one. That means Mom's not going to have one. They're organic and non. Oh, there's the.
I want to pick another one for Mom.
Okay, yeah, you better save that one. Leave that one out. But this is a 1.5 ounce. This is like a snack bag, 1.5 ounce bag. The $5 bag retails online for about $3. So actually, pretty like fair price for something that's extremely, I would say, on the healthy side as regards to chips. That's not like a fried potato chip or something like that. We really want to get into the question of, is it a buy or is it a trash?
A buy.
Why you always tell me? I bought them. What about them?
It's a buy.
It's a buy. It's a buy. Well, let's go ahead and get into the question of the day, which is, what is the weirdest thing you have seen in someone else's home?
On Josiah's home and Granny's home.
In Granny's home? But what was the weirdest thing you've seen in their home?
Toys.
Toys? The question just right over the head. Like that, huh? Anyways, like I was saying, if you have any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as general investing advice, business, Etsy, coaching, post those questions down below.
3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 8, 9, 10.
You're flying with a chip now, huh?
Yeah.
By the way, we got fresh new haircuts. Check out these. Well, my haircuts looks a little bit better than his, but we got fresh new fades like 2 days ago. Last video I had the haircut on there, but wanted to mention it in the video with him. And a new microphone also. We got this guy right here. Brand new microphone, Blue Yeti. Hopefully it's not too loud when I set it back down. So I hope you're able to hear us both still while we make the adjustments moving forward into getting better audio quality on the channel. But until next time, don't forget to subscribe up here and check out our like Reese's peanut butter cup review vegan whatever thing right here. Check out that video right here. Yes.
My hand on your hair.
Okay. There's another video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.
Oh.